In this video, I will show you how to add a typewriter text effect in hosting your website builder. So to get started, go ahead and look for a resource code that you can use for this specific feature. Once you have found a resource code, go ahead and head back to Hostinger and sign in into your account. Once you're signed in, go ahead and head over into the websites tab, click on websites list, and under the websites list, you'll be able to find that specific websites registered under your Hostinger account. So go ahead and click on that edit website button for that specific website where you want to incorporate that typewriter text effect to. Once you're redirected into the website, go ahead and head over into the section where you want to incorporate that effect with the specific words that you want to incorporate with it. Click on that add section button above that specific section. Click on that add blank section to be able to add a section from scratch. Now what you'll need to do is to head over into the add element section, scroll down and look for that embed code tool. Now drag that into this section, and once you have incorporated that into this section, click on that enter code button and remove this existing code from this section. Now head back into where you have sourced your code from. Now copy that code from top to bottom. After you copy that, you can go ahead and head back into your Hostinger website builder account, paste the code into this section and click on that embed code button, and that changes will be reflected into your website. So to update your website, click on that update website button at the top right of your screen, and once you access the website, you'll be able to find the changes you've made on your website, and that is how you can do that. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos.